Welcome to Life is Messy, but I am learning as I grow. In life's messes we learn and grow. Around here it's not about perfection. It's about the joy of creating. Whether we're crafting, cooking, gardening, we're always trying something new, making memories in a mess. In life's messes we learn and grow. If that sounds like fun, subscribe and follow. You never know what we are going to learn next. You can find a link to the written instructions for this DIY in the video description. Today we're getting crafty with a fun and simple DIY, colorful stone suncatchers. These little beauties are not only adorable, but they sparkle in the sunlight and add a cheerful pop of color to any window, porch, or garden space. Whether you're crafting with kids or just looking for a relaxing, creative project, this is a great way to brighten up your day. Supplies needed: picture frame with glass panel, clear Mod Podge, paintbrush, colorful glass stones or gems. Optional: paper towel or cloth for cleanup. Instructions: remove the back of the picture frame, leaving only the glass panel in place. Using a paintbrush, apply a thin, even layer of clear Mod Podge to the top side of the glass panel, the side that will face inside the frame. Lay down a row of colorful stones directly onto the Mod Podge, arranging them however you like. Paint another layer of Mod Podge on top of the stones, sealing them in place. Repeat the process one row at a time. Apply Mod Podge, add stones, then seal with another layer. Allow your suncatcher to lay down flat to fully dry, at least several hours or overnight for best results. Once dry, place your suncatcher in a sunny window and watch it sparkle. And there you have it, a simple yet stunning suncatcher that brings a little sparkle and color into your space. Whether you hang it in a sunny window, give it as a handmade gift. Thanks for watching. You can find a link to the written instructions for this DIY in the video description. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. In life's messes we learn and grow. See you next time.